I recently showed you a new feature on my website that helps you to access recovery mode on your Android smartphone or tablet. And today, I would like to announce another one of these tools. It's called the Universal Android Fastboot tool, and you can find it by visiting the website explainingandroid.com/fastboot. So let me show you how it works. The website's going to do a good job walking you through what's needed, but in order for this page to work, you need to be using a web browser that supports the Web ADB protocol. So you'll need to use a Chromium-based browser for now, which includes Chrome, Edge, and even Brave. You're also going to need to enable developer mode because you need to access the developer options menu and turn on the USB debugging toggle. Then, with that done, we're going to connect the phone to the PC with a USB cable, and from here, you'll be asked to secure the connection from your phone to the website itself. So click on the Select Device button, and then find your smartphone or tablet in the pop-up window that appears. Now, as a side note, if you're not seeing your phone in this menu, then it's probably because you need to install the proper USB ADB drivers from Google. It's also possible that you didn't follow the instructions to enable USB debugging mode either. But once you have that secure connection, the button on the website will let you reboot the phone into Fastboot mode. So from here, you're going to see the device turn off, and almost immediately, you'll see it reboot over to a special Android boot mode that we call Fastboot mode. But it's also known around the community as bootloader mode. This special boot mode for Android is generally used for advanced tasks, like unlocking or relocking the bootloader, flashing a custom kernel, or even flashing a custom ROM. But there are a lot of different features that you can gain access to in Fastboot mode. Just make sure that you have the Start option highlighted when you're ready to boot back into Android, and then press the power button to select that option. This tool, offered on my website, explainingandroid.com, is a quick and easy way of rebooting your Android smartphone or tablet into this special boot mode. So please, let me know how it performs and whether or not you're noticing any bugs or rendering issues while using it on your PC.